Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the space and time complexity of the BFS traversal or BFS algorithm that was discussed in the previous video. Okay, so analyze time space. We will take that code from solution of the previous video. So this was the solution. Okay, let's analyze. So this was the original code of BFS. So this code is run. If this code run then in queue, that means here while loop will run for each node. Okay, that means each node will be added one times. Okay, sorry, this is not, this is list dot add. Okay, here that means q dot add, each node is added one times and each node will be removed one time from queue. That means each node will be processed two times from queue, one times added and one times removed. So the time and the space complexity. So the time complexity is big O of for each node two times addition and removal from queue. That means 2 into V. Okay, that means 2V total number of nodes. Okay, plus if we consider one edge. Okay, if 2 will be removed from queue, then this 2 will call for 1, either, sorry, call for 0, either 0 is visited or none visited, but this 2 1 2 0, this 2 0 edge will be involved. Okay, that means if 2 call for 0, then 2 0 edge will be involved. If 0 call for 2, then 2 0 edge will be involved two times. That means 2 0 edge will be involved two times for each node. So similarly each edge will be involved two times. That means 2b plus 2e is the time complexity of this code. Now let's discuss about a space complexity. So the a space for a space complexity, this list will store all the nodes. That means big O of V plus this list will store all the nodes. So big O of V plus this queue, this is the queue that will store the all nodes. So the maximum node that will be at any instant will decide the space complexity. So for if that means if graph is like that, 1 and other 2 3 and 4 all are, if dot if all are the, if all like this undirected graph, if all 2 3 4 dot n are the child of or directed the neighbor of 1, then if 1 will be added and removed, then 2 3 dot n, all 2 to n will be present at instant. Okay, if 1 will be removed, then 2 to n will be present at instant in the queue. That means big V plus this V for a list and this V, that means a storing all nodes at a instant in queue, is V space. So total big O of 2V is the space and big O of 2V plus 2E is the time complexity. So this is the space and time complexity of this code. Okay, thank you.